Hello everyone, my name is Arojit. This is my new YouTube channel, Explain Simplified by Arojit, where we'll discuss about networking and automation details. A brief introduction about me. I'm an IT professional with 13 years of experience in network operations center, incident management, and team leadership. I have experience in Cisco Juniper Alcatel routers along with BGP, MPLS routing and switching, SD-WAN and backbone router configuration. In the skills part, I have experience in BGP, MPLS, SD-WAN and cybersecurity. My channel is mainly for the knowledge sharing purpose, so it will be focusing on simply explaining networking and automation concepts in a simplified manner. So each videos will be designed to help students and professionals understand the latest technologies like SD-WAN, MPLS, network automation, etc. So stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Thank you for visiting and please subscribe to my channel. Thank you all.